Help video solving quadratic rational equations. So here's our rational equation, you guys. So the least common denominator between these two fractions, you guys, is going to be -4 times x plus 6. So this helps us because now we know what to multiply to both sides of the equal sign. So on this side, you guys, we are going to multiply by the LCD to both sides. Now, let's see what we can cancel. So this -4, you guys, cancels off with this -4. And this x plus 6, you guys, cancels off with that x plus 6. So on the left-hand side, we have x plus 6 times x minus 3, which is equal to 5 times -4, you guys, which is just -20. Now we are going to distribute. X times x is x squared, x times -3 is -3x, 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times -3, you guys, is -18. And all of that's equal to -20. You can combine like terms right there, so we're going to get x to the second plus 3x minus 18 is equal to -20. Now, since this is a quadratic, you know it's a quadratic because the highest degree is 2, you guys. So when you guys solve for quadratics, you have to set it equal to 0. So we have to add by 20 to both sides. So that this whole equation, -18 plus 20, you guys, is plus 2, is equal to 0. Now this should look very familiar to you guys. So from here, you guys have to factor that. 2 and 3, two things that multiply 2, but add together gives you 3 is 2 and 1. So x plus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. You guys set both of them equal to 0. Both factors set it equal to 0, so solve for the 0. And we're going to get x is equal to -2, and x is equal to -1. Okay, so once you guys multiply both sides by the least common denominator between the two fractions, then you guys just solve for it like how you would for quadratic functions. Alright, here, LCD is x times x minus 4. So let's copy down the problem. Multiply both sides by the LCD. So let's see what we can cancel. The x minus 4 on the left-hand side cancel, you guys, and the right-hand side, the x cancel. So on the left-hand side, we have x times x plus 5, and we have -2 times x minus 4. Distribute, x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x, equals -2x. -2 times x, you guys, -2x, -2 times -4 is +8. Alright, so again, we're dealing with a quadratic, right? Highest degree is 2, so let's move everything over to the left-hand side so that the whole equation is equal to 0. And now, this is just simply solving for a quadratic, you guys. So let's factor -8 and 7. Two things that multiply -8, but when added together gives you 7. That is +8 and -1. X plus 8. So your factors are x plus 8 and x minus 1 equals 0. Remember, those are your factors, so to solve for you guys 0, just set both of them equal to 0, and you guys solve. And there is our answer.